friends, you are watching the Creative Graphics channel. I hope you are all well. In today's video, we will show you how to blend text effect to create a cola text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Learn how to combine text, photos, combine layer mask and gradients to create an amazing composition. The text effect for Photoshop is a cola text effect. Really pretty and very simple, so easy and quick to apply. I hope you like it. And as always, I wish you a lot of fun with it. The font family I use in the example is Milk Script, free for personal use. You can use the font of your choice here if you want. The effect is versatile and looks good with any other font. At first, you go to any browser on your system and open Google. Then you go to Google search. You search cola background and download any cola background of your choice and open the downloaded background in Photoshop. Since my background is already downloaded, I did not prolong the video without showing it re-downloaded. If you want, you can download cola background from the link given below in my description box. Open the cola background in Adobe Photoshop. Now press Ctrl A for all select and go to Edit menu, choose Define Pattern option. Name this pattern as cola pattern. Then you need to download another image that is called pouring cola bottle. No need to worry. You can easily download this image from the link given in the description box below. Then you need to create a new document here 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels and set the resolution as 72 pixels. Fill the background layer as yellow color. Select Soft Brush tool, set the color as light yellow. Fill this light yellow color in the middle of this document by clicking Brush tool. Then select the Text tool and use any title you like. Choose the font family as Milk Script. Needless to say, I use my channel name Graphic. Set the size and position of this text layer. Then create a layer style. Choose Pattern Overlay from the preset. Then keep noticing all the properties given in the PDF file. helps in understanding the properties of layer style. Then please follow the PDF file from the link given in the description box below. Set the color as 4D2002. Finally, the Cola text effect is complete. Then select the text tool again and enter another title. I wrote the creative text according to the name of my channel that uses the same font family. Thereafter, fill this title with red color and set the proper size and position of this text layer. Let's set the cola bottle image with this cola text effect. So, open your downloaded pouring cola bottle image in Photoshop and eliminate unnecessary part of it through pen tool selection and copy the required parts to your cola text document. You look carefully at how I am applying the procedure. Finally, I drew a 25 pt blue border around this title. Thank you for spending your precious time with us. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you like it, you can go to the comment box and write your valuable speech. Your cooperation and blessings are our paths. I bow to the elders of my age and express my love and respect to the younger ones. Stay well, stay healthy. Goodbye.